Hey everyone, welcome back to Meverse Builds. Today we're back at Spotify Camp Nou for another full construction update, breaking down the latest progress across the stadium. If you enjoy these updates, please make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any daily coverage. Activity at the north goal is picking up pace, marking a key phase in construction. The main highlight here is the completion of a major concrete pour on the parking ramp near the La Masia corner. After weather delays earlier in the week, crews worked continuously, pouring concrete from the upper levels down to the lower sections. This ramp connects multiple underground parking levels and is a critical part of the stadium's infrastructure. This area will support the future compression ring, one of the most complex structural elements of the project. Several dark base elements, known as articulation joints, are already installed on top of the super columns. These will distribute the enormous load of the compression ring. Temporary platforms and support structures are now being assembled nearby, indicating that beam installation may begin soon. The density of workers and equipment confirms the north goal as one of the most active zones on site. The lateral facade continues to be the most visually advanced section of the stadium. Ceramic louvers are steadily expanding across both upper and lower levels, further defining the stadium's new exterior. Installation teams are carefully aligning panels, checking anchor points, and confirming measurements for precision placement. Behind the louvers, freshly painted wall sections clearly mark areas prepared for upcoming installations. This side of the stadium also serves as a major logistics hub. Large quantities of ceramic panels, structural steel, and glass units remain staged along the lateral zone. Several temporary towers and platforms are being assembled here, directly linked to upcoming compression ring works. The combination of facade installation and heavy structural preparation highlights how the project is entering a more advanced phase. The south goal may appear quieter, but progress remains steady. Prefabricated seating for the third tier continues to be installed, particularly near the transition with the lateral stand. While heavy machinery is limited today, the consistent seating rhythm suggests this area is approaching structural completion. Crews remain active around key load-bearing beams, inspecting connections and making final adjustments. Once completed, the south goal will significantly enhance the enclosure and scale of the seating bowl. Tribuna is one of the busiest areas of the stadium. Mobile cranes are lowering prefabricated beams for intermediate technical levels, freeing tower cranes for other operations. A major milestone here is the start of glass installation in the VIP ring, marking the transition from raw structure to architectural finishing. And that wraps up today's full tour from Spotify Camp Nou. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily update.